Kim Zolciak asks for psychological evaluation of Kroy Biermann after suspecting he has CTE due to alleged emotional outbursts. Zolciak claimed Biermann regularly displays angry and emotional outbursts and bouts of physical violence around their children, which has her gravely concerned for their safety. Kim Zolciak is bringing forward new claims about her ex Kroy Biermann. On February 18th, the former Real Housewives of Atlanta star, 46, filed several new motions against her estranged husband, claiming she was gravely concerned about their 4 minor children, KJ, 13, and Cash, 12, and twins Kaya and Kane, 11, left in his care amid their legal battle. In documents obtained by People, Zolciak claimed she had significant concerns regarding Biermann's mental health and whether or not the former NFL player is suffering under the ill effects of chronic traumatic encephalopathy, CTE. Per the Indiana University School of Medicine, CTE is a progressive degenerative disease affecting people who have suffered repeated concussions and traumatic brain injuries. People has reached out to Biermann's attorney for comment. Zolciak's motion. The reality star alleges that Biermann has regularly displayed angry and emotional outbursts, which include profanity-laden tirades towards her and in the presence of their children, as well as bouts of physical violence and extreme sexual promiscuity. Another motion Zolciak filed asked the court for an emergency hearing to determine a temporary parenting plan commensurate with the best interests of the minor children. The Bravo-celebrity alleged that Biermann has taken steps to completely cut the children off and has taken possession of their cell phones. She also claimed that he unilaterally directed that she would no longer have time with their children and prohibited them from communicating with her. Zolciak then alleged that Biermann barricades their children at his residence during the day and only returns for the minor children to sleep and take the bus to school, in order to protect their children's well-being. Zolciak has asked the court to order a psychological custody evaluation of the family or an independent medical evaluation. She wrote that addressing Biermann's mental health and its underlying causes were essential to determine a proper custody and parenting time schedule that serves the children's best interests. She then noted that the evaluation results from such tests would aid a potential guardian ad litem, a person appointed by the court to represent the interests of someone who cannot represent themselves, for her children, which she also requested in a subsequent motion. Zolciak also requested that the court appoint qualified professionals to conduct psychological and medical evaluations on Biermann and consented to undergoing similar evaluations if deemed necessary. In May 2023, the couple filed for divorce for the first time, citing their 12-year marriage was irretrievably broken with no hope of reconciliation. 2 months later, Zolciak and Biermann called off their separation in July until Biermann filed for a second time in August 2023. On February 21, 2025, the couple jointly dismissed their divorce in Fulton County as a result of Zolciak's recent move. Biermann has since refiled for divorce in the county where Zolciak currently resides.